What is up guys, done at the side. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase the performance link in Steam Link Play. So first you need to head over to your Steam application, and then on the left side you need to click on the Steam logo at the top, and after that you need to click on settings. After clicking on settings you need to head over to remote play, and then you need to make sure that the direct connection is set to automatic and all the Steam devices are paired. So you just simply need to authorize your device by just entering the 4-digit authorization code on your device. And after that, you just simply need to link your devices to Steam, and you need to make sure that you are having a wired connection. Yes, guys, a wired connection is required to run the games fast or to make the performance fast. And after that, you just simply need to make sure that you have enabled the hardware encoding. And this is how you can link your remote play to Steam to increase the performance. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.